Welcome, my friend. Today I have a very gentle yoga stretch for our neck and shoulders to help relieve any stress or tension you may be feeling. This is a segment of our full class that is in our Awaken membership site. So if you enjoy and want the full experience, jump over and check it out. We have a 14-day free trial, and I'll meet you on the mat. Come to a comfortable cross-legged seated position and take a moment to line your head over your heart and your heart over your pelvis. Breathe in, elongating through your spine, your crown of head reaching up. Exhalation out your nose, your shoulders soften away from your ears. Take 3 more breath cycles, noticing the effects of your inhalations and your exhalations on your body. Beautiful. Let's inhale fully. And on your exhale, lower your left ear towards your left shoulder, keeping that nice long spine and your chin parallel with the mat. If you'd like to deepen the stretch, you can walk your right fingertips out to the side. If this feels like a deep enough stretch, go ahead and honor that and stay right where you are. Otherwise, lift your left fingertips up and over to grasp your face. Try not to press down, but rather think lengthening and lifting the ear further away from the shoulder. And take a few breaths here. And soften in the jaw. Very gently release your face and lower your arm. Slowly start to rotate your chin up and your head goes back. Feel the stretch in your neck traveling to the front side. And then we'll slowly lower your chin towards your shoulder and armpit. Steady breathing. And let's begin to lower your chin towards your chest at center. And your extended hand slides back in. On your next inhalation, we'll lift your chin up and we'll take that to the other side. Inhale and exhale, lower your right ear towards your right shoulder. Nice long spine. To take it deeper, you can walk your left fingertips out to the side. And knowing that your left side and your right side might be a little bit different, check in and see if this feels like a deep enough stretch. If so, honor that and stay right where you are. Otherwise, we'll lift your right fingertips up and over to grasp the side of your face. Try not to press down, but rather think lengthening and lifting your ear away from your shoulder. Deep breathing. Soften your facial muscles. And then we'll very gently release your face and lower your arm. Slowly start to rotate your chin up as your head goes back, feeling the stretch travel to the front side of your neck. And slowly lower your chin towards your shoulder and armpit, feeling the stretch travel to the back side of your neck. Begin to lower your chin towards the center of your chest. Your extended arms comes back in. On your inhalation, lift your chin up. At the top, we'll lift your arms up and interlace your fingers at the base of your skull. Breathe in, your elbows press open, chest reaches to the sky. And as you exhale, slowly lower your chin to your chest. Your elbows begin to soften towards each other. No pulling here, but rather just let gravity take hold and hang out. Practice of loving kindness towards yourself today. On your inhale, let's open up once more, broadening across your collarbone, shoulders relax away from your ears. And exhale, chin towards your chest, elbows draw towards each other. Hang out, letting gravity take hold, maintaining that nice long spine. And let's breathe in, lift back up, and lower your hands. Take a big, beautiful breath in and reach your fingertips to the sky. Interlace them at the top and flip your palms to the sky. Exhale, side body stretch to the right. Your chest spiraling to the sky. Breathe in, back to center. Exhale, side body stretch to the left. Keeping both sits bones grounded. Inhale, back to center. Flip your palms back and begin to round back in your spine, hollowing out your belly as you lower your arms, getting an amazing stretch in your shoulders and in the space between your shoulder blades. Staying in this position, slowly take your arms up and down, all while actively reaching your hands to the space in front of you to deepen the stretch. Now, keeping your arms extended in front of you, lift your torso back up and let's take your arms over to the left, your left arm gently drawing the other back. Breathe in, back to center, and then draw the arm over to the right. Back to center. Breathe in, reach those interlaced fingers up to the sky. Release them and exhale, circle your fingertips to interlace them behind your low back. We'll squeeze your shoulder blades together, your palms press together, and exhale, hinge at your hips, lifting your arms up and over. Your forehead lowers to the mat. Your interlaced fingers press open over to the space in front of you. Slow and steady breathing. Enjoying the stretch for your upper body, noticing the sensations of the mild inversion. On your next inhale, let's rise back up and take it into a mini back bend, lifting your gaze, your heart shining. And then release and soften, fingertips to the mat behind you as you lift your hips up, pressing them to the space in front of you. If it sounds good and it's within your practice, go ahead and release your head back. Beautiful. Slowly lower your sits bones to the mat. Let's breathe in and circle those fingertips to the sky. Exhale, open and twist to the right. Breathe in, circle back up to center, and exhale, twist and open to the other side. Inhale, reach back up to center, and exhale, circle your arms down. Now go ahead and join you in a cross-legged seated position. And take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale, release and soften. And go ahead and draw a big circle with your head. And then take that circle in the opposite direction. And then sit up nice and tall, imagining a vibrant, beautiful long line from your tailbone all the way to the crown of your head. And just take a moment here to check in with yourself and notice how you're feeling. How does your neck feel? How does your shoulders feel now compared to when you first arrived on the mat together? A soft smile on your face and gently open your eyes. Bring your hands to prayer at heart, thanking yourself for taking this time to tend to your body. Namaste. I hope those shoulders of yours feel softened away from your ears and your neck relieved of any tension. Have a beautiful rest of your day. If you enjoyed, throw the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get the latest yoga love released each week. From my heart to yours.